Hello everyone, I am Hajira, Nakshathra 916 Gold and Diamonds, Dubai. Today I am going to show you very beautiful different design gents bracelet collections. Sachin chain, Ganguly chain, Dawn chain, different design bracelets I am going to show you now. Let's go to the video. First item I am going to show you very beautiful Dawn chain, Sachin Dawn chain. You can see here very beautiful design. You can see the length here. Lightweight collection. This all gents boys bracelet collection, very beautiful design. Next one I am showing you very beautiful Sachin chain. You can see here lightweight collection, everyone's favorite Sachin chain. Next one I am showing you very beautiful Ganguly chain. You can see here this all comes gents collection hand chain bracelet collections. You can see here very beautiful Ganguly chain. This all lightweight collections. This chain comes only 3 grams. Next one I am showing you very beautiful double Sachin chain. Double Sachin chain, everybody likes Sachin chain, you know, very beautiful design. This all boys bracelet collection, very beautiful designs you can see here. Next one I am showing you Dawn chain, very beautiful Dawn chain. You can see here lightweight collection, only 3.3 grams, very lightweight collection, very beautiful design. Dawn collection bracelet, gents bracelet, boys bracelet. You can see here very beautiful design. All these items available in our Dubai shop, Al Nada shop. Next one I am showing you very beautiful Ganguly chain, double Ganguly chain. You can see here very beautiful design. This all lightweight collection, only 3.07 grams is there. Lightweight collection. All these items available in our Dubai shop, Al Nada 2, Dubai, Nestomor, first floor, Nakshathra jewelry. Next one I am showing you very beautiful 4 grams Ganguly chain. You can see here 4 grams Ganguly chain. All these comes under lightweight collections, very beautiful designs. All everyone's favorite Sachin chain, Ganguly chain, Dawn chain, all collections available in our Al Nada shop. Visit our shop Al Nada 2, Dubai, Nestomor, first floor, Nakshathra jewelry. Look at here, very beautiful design. If you want to buy online, you can do online shopping in India, not here in Dubai, only in India. Contact 9846 361 916. Thank you for watching our video. If you like any of our bracelet collection, do visit our shop Al Nada 2, Dubai, Nestomor, first floor, Nakshathra jewelry. If you want to watch more videos, subscribe our YouTube channel, Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, follow us. If you want to do online shopping all over India, online shopping available, delivery available, within 8 days you can get the product. Contact 9846 361 916. If you want to watch more videos, more collections, subscribe our YouTube channel, follow our Instagram, TikTok, Facebook. Thank you for watching. Signing off, Hajira. Bye bye.